Hello everyone, welcome to According to You. Today we'll be replacing the watch band on a Mudmaster GWG-B1000. For sake of the speed of the video, I've already removed the stock resting band and added half of our Paracord watch band. The watch band would showcase a tough polymer adapter, and also it will be using the stock wings on it, and I'm going to show you how this is done. We will also include a Allen wrench in the package for you. And so what you do is pretty much this piece will mimic the stock band. So pretty much you can also bring your stock wing, place it back in place, and it would fit perfect there. Now what you do is you bring the band just like so, as if you would to place your original band, and bring your screws. One thing I would recommend is to once you find the placement, give it a couple turns. See, it takes, there it is. So find the placement, and just kind of give it a couple twists. Just keep it in place, and then move on to the other side. Don't tighten one all the way before you place the other one. It's just it just makes things easier if you find the placement on both sides before you go all the way. So now that I have both of the screws in place, now you can go ahead and finish the entire procedure here. Let's get it all tightened up. And just as soon as you feel resistance, just give it a quick turn and just lock it in place. Don't try to go much further. And there it is. So now you would have your watch band here, replacing or reusing the stock wings, and this is how it's going to look on you. Let's get it together. Looks like this. All right, thank you for watching.